Welcome to another Alex Geometry topic instructional video by Mr. Hardy. On this video, we're going to look at finding an angle measure given extended triangles. Okay, so basically what we have here is we have a triangle. Okay, and we're given some information. We want to find the measure of this angle right here. So we're going to use three concepts. The first one, hopefully you know, is that the sum of all the angles, so if we call this A and B and C, then A plus B plus C equals 180. So that's one thing that we can use. Okay, the other thing that we can use is that, remember that if we have an angle that actually makes a straight line, and the whole angle goes from one point to another point on the same line, then that's also going to be 180 degrees. So in this case, we could say that B plus 101 degrees is equal to 180. Okay, so you can see we can find B. So I'll come back to that in a minute. The third thing that we're going to use is we're going to say that when two lines cross, these two angles are the same. Okay, so if I know if this is angle, let me use, let's say, X, Y, Z, and W. Well, then X equals Z. Okay, that the measure of this angle equals the measure of that angle, and W equals Y. We can use that information. Okay, so in other words, if we can find A, then A equals X. We can just write that. A equals X. Okay, so I already know that C equals, I'll write it again, A plus B plus C equals 180. So I already know that C is 47. Okay, I got that part. Now, what is B? Well, over here you can see that B plus 101 equals 180. So if I subtract 101, so in other words, this from this angle, from here to here, this angle plus that angle is 180. So minus 101. So B equals, okay, and there's nothing wrong with a little bit of cheating. Just go ahead and put that into your calculator if you don't want to do that. 180 minus 101 is 79. Okay, so 79. Obviously, I'd prefer that you could do this without the calculator, but at the same time, the idea is to be able to do this logical reasoning. So now what we have is we know that B is 79, right? So we can say 79. Okay, so A plus 79 plus 47 is 180. So we can, let's get the calculator back up here, and let's say I already got 79 in there. So 79 plus 47, oh, that didn't look right. Let me try that again. 79 plus 47. I think I subtracted. So A plus 126 equals 180. So now I just subtract 126 from 180 and I get A. So A equals, and where's my calculator? Clear, 180 minus 126 equals 54. So A is equal to 54. But since A is 54, right, A equals X, so X also equals 54 degrees. Okay, and so we got our answer. So we're just kind of applying that. So let's try one more case real quick. Okay, here's X. Now this time we don't have either. Well, same thing, I guess. We don't have X. We don't have this right here. So quickly, I haven't figured out how I'm going to do this one just yet. But what I can see right here is that from here to here is 180. So I can do 180 take away 93. Okay? So you can do the calculator. 10 take away 3 is 7. This is 17. 17 take away 9 is what? 8. You know, can always double check. Clear. 180 minus 93. Good. 87. Looks like the old man can still do a little math. All right. So where are we at? So we know that this angle right here is 87. Okay. Now see this. Remember, when two angles cross, this angle and that angle are the same. And then this angle, we use that little notation, these are the same. So that means if this is 39, this is 39. Okay, so I know that all of these must be 180. So I can say 180, take away 39, take away 87, that will give me X. So let's just do that on the computer, on the calculator. Clear. 180 minus 39 equals minus 87 equals 54. Okay, so X equals 54. Okay, so this one I did without the algebra. I kind of like the algebra myself, continuing to use your algebra skills, but if you are going fast and you understand what's going on, you can just do it with basic math as well. Okay, so I hope that helps. Good luck.